So now we focus on a key element of the biosecurity program, which is the cleaning and disinfection. When I talk about cleaning and disinfection, I like to break it down into 7 steps. The 7 steps of cleaning and disinfection. I'll go through those steps, and we will look into detail into each one of these steps as we move along in this talk. The first step is the dry cleaning and the removal of gross soils from the surfaces that we're going to clean and disinfect. The second step is the soaking of those surfaces, preferably with a detergent. This will loosen the soils and make removal so much easier. The third step is the rinse of that soaking detergent with a high pressure cleaning step. The fourth step is drying of these surfaces prior to use of the disinfectant. Then comes the disinfection step, and after disinfection, it is advisable to actually dry the surfaces before restocking with the animals. And then finally, there will be hopefully a surface sampling step where we verify the effectiveness of our cleaning and disinfection process. So you can see that out of the 7 steps, there are 4 steps that have to do with cleaning. And the reason for this is that cleaning is actually a very important component of the overall cleaning and disinfection program. If there is something that you take away from this talk on cleaning and disinfection, is that cleaning is actually very, very important. Cleaning is perhaps as important or more important than the actual disinfection step.